Good morning, students. Now it's time to discuss the question answers of chapter 3rd, Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Okay, question number first. Read the following extract and answer the questions that follow. Means you have to read that particular extract which is given from your book. Then you have to write the answers. So, question number first. Who is the speaker in the beginning of the extract? So, the king is the speaker. Which line tells you that Gopal accepted the challenge? It is clearly given in the extract. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Means he told that he able to accept the challenge. What did the king ask Gopal to do prove that he was clever? Actually, he had to prove that he's a clever boy, clever man. Okay. So in order to prove that he was clever, he asked to buy a huge hilsa fish. Okay, that was the challenge which was given by the king to him to prove his cleverness. From the options below, take the correct synonym of huge. Huge means, I have told you at the time of explanation also, big, very big, huge. So, name the two speakers in this particular extract. So, this particular conversation is between Gopal and his wife. What was the answer to the woman's question? What she asked? She asked about his graceful rags or why he smeared ash over his body. So he answered the woman that he was going to buy a huge hilsa fish. Now, question number third. Why was the woman stopping her husband from going out? Why she was trying to stop her? So, because of his unusual look, he was looking very strange, very unusual. Okay, that is why she tried to stop him. Now, the word disgraceful has both a prefix and a suffix. Dis and full. The word is main word is grace. By adding a suffix and prefix both, it convert into disgraceful. So you have to write a same type of structure. So that is unsuccessful. The main word is success, full. By adding prefix or suffix, we made it unsuccessful. Now, the third question, part first, who is the speaker? So in this particular extract, Gopal is the speaker. What did the speaker find strange? So no one was interested to talk about hilsa fish. That particular thing was strange at that particular time, because that particular season belongs to hilsa fish. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the hilsa fish which Gopal had brought. It was it is very obvious because of his ridiculous appearance, because of his ridiculous look, because he looked like a madman. So, because of his look, everybody was distracted. Everyone's concentration was on his look. Which part of his speech is strangely? Strangely is an adverb. Not a soul means no one at all. Now, what was the reason behind the king losing his temper? King lost his temper because of that particular thing. Nobody was talking about rather than hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about the particular hilsa fish. That is why king was frustrated. The courtiers commented on Gopal and his appearance. What were the comment? That they were commented about his look. According to them, Gopal had lost his mind. Okay, write a few lines about Gopal, his presence of mind and intelligence. According to his story, your given story, Gopal had never given up attitude. He never want to be give up, because it is very clear according to chapter, it is because he accept the challenge of king and he fulfilled it also. Okay.